Hi everyone, and welcome to EDU 203. My name is Dr. Curry. I am the chair of the undergraduate teacher prep program, and I just want to take a few minutes to introduce you to Schoology and talk about how Schoology is going to integrate with your coursework in EDU 203. A vital part of this course is going to involve you demonstrating your ability to create an online class or a teacher website. For this program, we're going to be using Schoology. You can see we're using Schoology.com up here. This is the website. Once you create a course, this is what it will eventually look like. We chose Schoology because the state of Delaware has a contract with this learning management system. So most districts now have the capability to use Schoology for free. Schoology, again, is a learning management system. This allows teachers the opportunity to create blended learning classrooms where they load content into their Schoology course, and then students can access it while they're in school completing assignments and then continue their learning at home. To practice this, what you're going to do is you're going to create a carbon copy of the coursework that you do in EDU 203. Remember though, you are going to be submitting your coursework in both Schoology and also in Blackboard. You can see my little Blackboard tab up here. Blackboard is where we submit it for grading. Your work in Schoology is basically going to be your final course portfolio. This is what you submit for your end of course assessment. You're going to be uploading all of your course content into each week. What I have in front of you is a snapshot of work that another student has completed. Now, the assignments might be different because the course has changed over time, but this is a good cross-section of how this will be organized. So you've got week one. You can color code your folders if you want to make it super exciting. But when we drop down week one, we can see the assignments that this person submitted under week one. And then week two, and then week three. This person's submitting all different kinds of assignments. We've got discussion boards. You've got links to another web-based program. She uploaded an MP4. This is a video file, an audio file. We've got documents. We've got PDFs. We should have some recorded videos that she's uploaded up here too. So anyway, you've got all kinds of stuff that you're going to be uploading. Please remember this is a portfolio of your entire course's work that will be evaluated as your last assignment, I believe, for 200 points. But for your weekly grading, you're going to need to submit your assignments also into Blackboard. Okay, so as you go through each week, you should upload your work into Schoology, but also for grading into Blackboard. This should be a pretty straightforward and fun project for you. I think it's a neat tool to help new and emerging teachers how to learn before they get into the classroom, to increase communication between students at home and also with parents too. So anyway, have a great block and work hard. Thanks.